You see am, idiot, foolish man. I know say na here you go dey. Oh God, how you take jamming with this kind? Hey, Sha.
Hey, babe. How are you?
I dey fine.
Happy New Year.
I wish you the same.
Have fun now. Welcome.
Thank you. The same look, the same dressing. Since last year till now. Come on off my face.
Why are you talking to me like this now, babe?
I beg, just stand where? For how long we don dey date till now?
We don't date for 7 years and 4 months and
you see your life. You see your life. You don't even calculate the years until when I don't get old before you go know say you go marry me, abi. When you go engage me?
The reason why I never engage you, I never see make am now.
You never see make am? You sure say you go make am for this life?
Why? My pastor last year they say I go make am. This year na my year I go make am. Once I make
am. So now the same thing wey your pastor tell you last year. Now you still dey believe. You sure say you go make am?
I go make am.
You sure say you go make for this life? You sure say you go bring motor? You go bring motor. You sure say you go fit make am?
I go make am.
To make things very easy for you. Wait for me.
Once I make am, I will come marry you. Your village go.
Oh yeah. Now ring. Collect am. Oh yeah. Nganu. Fast.
What may I do?
Engage. You go size me. Na my hand. I don't say you go. Neither make engage me, Joe. You know how much will be this ring? Neither where? Oh yeah. Put am. Fast. Before uncle. Neither way. Make your 2 knees dey ground. Oh yeah.
Close your eye now.
Oh yeah. Fast.
Close the eye. Now close your eye.
I don't close. You don't finish.
Ha! Run, no.
You don't run now. You don't run finish, abi? Me and you don't see again. How many abortion we two of us like this we don't do? 27. So who won't come chop the empty ones? Who won't come chop the empty ones? Oh yeah.
God go provide.
Provide wetin?
Your husband.
Okay. Me and you. We die together.
I don't ready to go.
We die together.
I'm not ready to go.
We go die together. Oh yeah.